Hello, I'm Blaine Marion.
And I'm Courtney Marion.
And on today's episode of Macaroni Meadows, we're at Cameron Lake going ice fishing. So today is actually New Year's Eve, and my brother with Buick Outdoors is out here. So we decided to come out, do a little ice fishing, see if we can't catch something, and just kind of hang out and have a good time. It's a beautiful day. It's +5 on New Year's Eve. Who would have thought that? So we're gonna get our stuff, get out to the ice. Hey, Cash. Hey, buddy.
He's smiling.
Hey, Pooch. I don't know. Let's see here. Got to get to drilling. This is the perks having Buick Outdoors. Use his auger. Oh yeah. Right on. Hey. Oh. Almost took a header. Well, everybody's got hooks in the water. Don't know if we'll catch anything. I've never caught a walleye through the ice, or a jackfish actually. So we'll see. Right on. Hey, Roni, come on.
You ready? Where it gets to hook.
Well, we didn't have much luck fishing, but we had lots of fun. There's still a little bit of daylight left, and we got to hit the spring to get some water for the house. So we better start packing our stuff up. Oh, almost fell. And head to the spring. Courtney's been bugging me. She needs water.
I'm thirsty.
All right, we're gonna get packed up and we're gonna head to the spring. All right, we're back here at the spring, and last time I was here, I fell, almost got a concussion. I'm just kidding. But we brought a pick with us this time. We're gonna chip some of the ice away, get this all cleaned up, and then fill our water jugs, and yeah, head home. Oh, we got to stop on the way home, so we'll show you here in a bit. So I'm gonna get to work, I'm gonna clean this all up, and then we'll fill our water jugs. Oh, the sun's going down, getting our water. Got Courtney with her Michael Jackson gloves. Ugh. Did you have a good New Year's?
A smooth criminal.
MJ?
So far, that's not New Year's yet. It's still the eve.
I guess, yeah, it's New Year's Eve.
Fine, I'm gonna do that.
On the way home, we're gonna shoot off some fireworks, so I'll show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully it's dark enough, we'll see. I'm not sure if any of the viewers know, but me and Courtney both don't drink alcohol. We're both sober, so this is the kind of stuff we do on New Year's Eve. Go get spring water, go ice fishing, shoot off fireworks. Oh, look at this tough guy.
It's icy there.
Yeah, be careful.
Don't hurt yourself, princess. Come on, Blaine, run.
Sparkler. Fire in the hole. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
Whammo.
that one launched.
Run! Run!
Oh, shit.
Woo! Happy New Year! Oh, that was awesome. Well, we made our home from our ice fishing and spring water excursion. We hope everybody liked the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. As always, stick around for more adventures to come. Happy New Year.